paano pakiramdam mo na siyempre before you're the one performing, yan, iba na yung nasa harap?
Pareho pa rin yung feeling for me. Parang iba lang ng medium. Kumbaga parang yung dancing fulfilling kapag ka na-perfect mo lahat and na malapit sa role na, kumbaga, and then may reviews come in and then you get to read them and then you have positive reviews, responses.
Pero, kare, ito, curious ako from what I've heard, no? GOAT ka raw dito sa Pilipinas.
Ay, grabe no?
ng ballet sa Philippines. Paano mo dinaanan yun? Ibig sabihin, gaano ka katagal bago nakarating kung nasan ka? And at the same time, nando ka ba sa stage ng buhay mo na parang may regret ka rin ba doon sa career mo sa ballet? Oo, wala.
First, yes, wala.
Okay,
wala
so that's
regret.
fine. Okay, the second question is, how did you do it?
Meron akong motto na kung ano yung ikakas nila sa akin at the time, tatanggapin ko kahit puno pa, kahit nasa backdrop pa, gagawin ko siya ng buong buo. Ganon. So, yun yung...
Pero whatever the role is na ibigay sa'yo, so regardless kung puno, gagalingan mo bilang
gagalingan
puno.
ko.
Pero pwede mo bang isipin na magaling ako, pero nandun pa ako sa level na hindi ako magaling?
Pwede, yeah.
Pwede yun?
Pwede.
Hindi ba parang ano yun? Parang
Magaling
imposter syndrome yun?
Hindi
Okay.
naman. Kasi, para sa akin, ang technique ng dance, minsan, ngayon, hindi mo siya makuha. But after a while, if you polish, if you refine, pwede mo siyang ma-overcome. I mean, yung mga hindi mo makaya, no? And then, yeah, ako pwede. It's not the end of it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
The question is, how much do you want it? Diba? For you to
Yes,
level
oo.
up eh.
I like what you said kanina na your only concern is how you can improve day in and day out.
Yeah.
And I think if I were to address ang mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-low-barkada, work until your name precedes you. Hindi dahil sa kinakatakutan ka, but because you've dedicated, you put your heart into something that alam na mga tao na may integridad ka, may credibility ka, that you are someone who does what you do because you love it. At lalabas yung galing mo
Siguro sa mga time na, admittedly, as someone na nasa arts din, there are times na nafe-feel ko na nababurn out ako So parang si Kare yung nag-remind sa akin na regardless if it's a bad day today, the show must go on.
Show must go on.
Meaning, hindi ka rin naman aabot sa rurok ng tagumpay kung ikaw ay mag-give up. So for me, it's a great reminder and mga ka-whiskey na kapag tayo dumadaan sa struggle ng career natin or ng craft na ginagawa natin, tuloy mo lang. And one thing you'll know, nandun ka na.
Eventually, it will be worth every sacrifice. Our topic natin for tonight, Direk, is the art of daily leveling up, mastering your craft.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado. Ihanda ang mic at baso sa lamesa at entablado. Gusto ko ganito, ang kwentuhan lang ay easy. Nagiging totoo lalo pag naka-whiskey. Pero hinay lang, para goods pa rin ang kidney. Pormahang mabait pero mga bara ay deadly. Hubat lang ang beat pero kumakalabit. Hip-hop kalakit sa struggles ko sa street. Kung usapang patagisan, huwag magbaka sa kalibro. Utak namin hinulman ng kali at sa kalibro.
Tara pag-usapan natin dito, kwento mo sa buhay. Kasamang mga pogs, ilabas lahat ng tunay. Mag-relax lang tayo, sober man o tipsy. Aral makukuha mo sa Life Over Whiskey.
Mula sa baba, ngayon tinitingala. Inakit ko ang bunga, hindi lang basta tumingala. Pogs na ngayon ang bata na minsang pariwara. Wala ngang imposible at merong himala.
Welcome to Life Over Whiskey Podcast, where we share valuable life lessons and stories you can learn from over a glass of whiskey. My name is Brian.
And I'm Gerald.
Direk J, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Brian.
We are still here sa napakagandang studio ng Tritone Entertainment. Direk, baka gusto mong pasalamatan ang mga behind the scenes natin.
Aba, maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Tritone Studios, kay Direk MJ, kay Direk Erwin, at sa lahat ng crew. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for accommodating us. Grabe guys, if you are interested in checking this place out and maybe shooting your own podcast recording the episodes ninyo, might as well reach out to them. Direk J,
Yun.
syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang usapan kung wala.
Ang paborito natin,
Ang paboritong whiskey na ating mga kalobarkada,
Charles and James.
Maraming salamat, Charles and James, for sponsoring this video. Direk J, tonight, our guest is a powerhouse in Philippine dance. From a principal dancer at Ballet Philippines, she has graced stages with iconic performances and earned top honors in choreography, including the NCCA Sayaw Pinoy competition. Beyond ballet, she's a visionary movement director, bringing her artistry to music videos, fashion campaigns, and contemporary dance projects. Now she's coursing the same creativity as an actress. Her journey is a story of passion, precision, and creativity. Mga ka-whiskey, let us all welcome Carissa Care Adea.
Hello, Kare.
Hello, Care. Magandang gabi
Hello,
sa'yo.
Magandang gabi.
Maraming salamat sa papag-unlock sa episode na to.
My pleasure.
Bray, first podcast episode.
First mo to?
Yeah.
Oo,
Sabi
first
nila, pag
guest
first,
na to.
Pag first, hindi mo makakalimutan.
Syempre. Oo.
Pero thank you for being here.
Yes, my
Ang topic natin, alam mo ba yung topic natin for tonight?
Hindi.
Hindi? Surprise! Our topic natin for tonight, Direk, is the art of daily leveling up, mastering your craft. And I feel like you're the perfect person to talk about this because of what you have gone through in life. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, Direk, kilalanin muna natin ang
Ayan.
guest. Lalo na yung mga ka-whiskey natin na nakikinig. Sino ba si Care? Ano ba ang background history mo? How did you grow up in? Where did you grow up?
Okay, so yeah, I grew up in Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong.
Dito,
Okay,
Pilipinas.
Mandaluyong.
Yeah, Metro Manila. Yes. And then my mom is a government employee.
Okay.
Yeah, she's with National Home Mortgage. So
Oh.
pabahay.
Pabahay,
Yung
okay.
ginagawa niya, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
Si Dad,
si Papa is self-employed.
self-employed. Okay.
Yeah,
So
self-employed siya.
businessman siya, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
mga-
He does trading. mga
Yeah,
ganyan.
yeah, mga ganun.
Oh, buy and sell, yeah.
So all throughout your life, ganun yung
Dynamic ng
dynamic
family.
ng family.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Your mom is a government employee. Your father is a self-employed individual.
Yes. And yeah, so yun, at the age of 3, so my mom gave birth to my sister, Candice, who is
Okay.
also a ballet dancer.
Okay.
And she realized she gained weight.
Okay.
So, dun siya nag-decide na, wait lang, mag-aerobics class nga ako.
Aha.
So, since nasa Mandaluyong kami, dun siya nag-enroll sa, actually, and her office is in Makati naman at
Okay.
around that time. So, nag-enroll siya sa Goldcrest. I forgot that. Goldcrest Mall.
Ano ba yung gold crest?
Goldcrest. Parang siyang, alam mo yung mga
Parang
old
Green Hills?
school na parang ganon.
Okay, gets,
Yes,
gets.
that's located in Makati also.
Okay.
So kung nasaan ang, I think, Glorieta 5.
Okay,
yun
dun siya
yun.
dati.
Yes, or basta katabi ng Glorieta 2 at that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, nag-enroll siya sa aerobics class doon kasi may studio doon for aerobics. Tapos, as a 3 years old na lakwatsera na at that
Okay.
time, lagi kong gustong sumama sa kanya. So, every time na nagpupunta siya sa aerobics class niya, dinadala niya ako ng sapilitan kasi ako yung may gusto at nag-aamok talaga ako pag hindi niya ako dinadala.
So, ibig sabihin, nung una kanyang dinala doon, gusto mo na agad yung aerobics pag nakikita mo?
Gusto ko lang lumabas, basically, ng bahay. Tapos gusto ko lang siya parati kasama.
Okay.
At that point, yeah. So, yun, sama lang ako. At that time naman, wala naman talaga parang lounge area na parang kung paano na ngayon yung mga
Yeah.
studios, right?
Yeah.
So, nandun lang ako sa loob ng studio and I was just lying doon beside the bags, yung mga malalaking gym bags ng mga classmates niya. So, yung secretary, sabi niya, "Ma'am, baka naman gusto niyo mo na lang i-enroll yung anak mo doon sa ballet studio doon lang within the building."
Okay.
So, doon namin nalaman, doon ako na-introduce sa ballet actually because my mom knew about it but she didn't know na meron palang ballet that's
Okay.
happening here in
In the Philippines. Okay.
at that point. Yeah, kasi hindi naman siya, wala talaga in our family na arts inclined.
Way back in the
talaga?
80s kasi, Bri, usually ako 80s kid, 80s ako pinanganak, 83. At that time kasi, Kare, I don't know kung naaalala nyo pa to ha, pero ikaw kasi 90s ka na right?
93 ako eh.
Pero naabutan ko pa sa yung black and white na TV. And people would only see people who dance a ballet
Ng black and white.
ng black and white. So parang technically people have this perception na kapag ballet, international yan. Or kung hindi man international, parang may sobrang high-end yan.
Yeah.
Parang ganyan. Ganyan ang
Parang
connotation ng
yeah.
ballet dancer eh. So anyway,
Something
continue.
like that, yeah. So parang hindi niya na-realize na may ballet dito na nangyayari
Okay.
sa Philippines. So yun,
So
the next day, yeah, sige,
So parang
go on.
ano lang, no? Sorry, pinipicture out in mind ko eh. So the reason why you were introduced sa ballet was because nag-aerobics yung nanay mo.
Basically, yeah.
Ang galing, no?
Yes.
So para kumbaga instead na syempre usually ngayon either may lounge area or at that age daycare. 'Di ba? So eto, matalino din ang nanay mo. Kumbaga imbis na yung oras mo
Yes.
naglalaro ka lang o kung anong
Yeah.
gagawin mo, nag-aalaga sa'yo, you're also productive pa din at the same time.
Yes.
You were still productive.
Pero
That's
gusto mo
right.
agad yun, una pa lang salang sa'yo. Ayaw mo. Ayaw mo.
Hindi talaga.
Okay.
So ito na nga, the next day, so tinanong niya, parang inano niya muna, parang kinompose niya muna kung paano niya i-introduce sa
3 years old
At
3 years old.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Naalala mo pa to, ah.
Yeah. Kasi kinakwento rin niya.
Okay, okay.
So, nung lumaki na kami. So, tinanong niya ako, Carissa, yun yung full name ko. Carissa, gusto mo bang mag-ballet? So, she was, I think, driving around that time. So, I was in the car. And I asked her, Ma'am, yun ba yung parang may water? So, I thought yung ballet, because I didn't know the terms, I was 3. So, I thought yung ballet was swimming.
Okay.
Kasi
Okay.
yun, as a kid, yun
Yeah,
yung,
of course.
yun yung fun for you.
Yeah.
So, sabi niya, oo, yun, anak. Ganyan siya. So, doon niya ako na-trick.
Okay.
And then, the next day, this was yung, papasok na ulit siya sa aerobics class niya, no? Doon din sa same building, ando na yung parang Capijo. So, yun yung bilihan ng mga, which is now Dance Store PH. Yun yung mga bilihan ng mga ballet wear. So, nandun siya in the same building. So, dinala niya ako doon and I was trying out the leotards. We call it leotards.
What's a
Yeah.
leotard?
Parang
Yung
the suit,
The suit,
the
the
pangtaas.
parang pang Black
And
Swan pala to.
If you notice the design, it looks like a swimsuit. Kasi
Yeah.
So again, I was strict.
Okay.
And then, pinasuot niya yung tights. Pero wala naman akong paal. Basta may swimsuit na. Tapos na-visualize ko na yung water, ganyan. And then, after lahat yan, binila niya rin ako ng ballet shoes, ganyan. Mabilis lang to kasi as in right around the corner, doon na, as in same building. Yun na yung studio. So pagpasok ko, doon na nagdawnin sa akin, oh my God, hindi to swimming.
Okay.
Pero wala na, parang as a kid, parang wala naman, hindi naman ako bakit? Ayoko ganyan. Hindi ako ganon. So, okay, I just
You performed.
went with the
Try
flow.
out,
Yeah. Hindi, yun, pumasok ako,
Okay.
the teacher was there, it was already starting. So I
Okay.
just finished it. Tapos parang naging normal thing na siya. Ganon.
So, naging habitual na kasi.
Oo, parang ganon. Tapos,
Okay.
ayun na, parang naging, na siya, part na ng schedule namin.
Part ng
Okay.
routine mo na rin.
Yeah. Oo.
Okay.
Yun. So, doon ako nag-start mag-ballet.
Okay.
Basically. So, hindi
Okay.
siya yung parang, yung common na, Mom, I wanna be a princess, I wanna be a ballerina, kind of, parang, I'm not, hindi ako ganon na kind of bata.
And you mentioned as well that in your family, wala naman exposed sa art and creativity.
Yeah.
Wala.
So, hindi kasi some people na may anak, gusto ko maging
Yeah, hindi.
ballerina ka. Hindi, di ba? Kasi ballerina rin ako. Walang ganun
Yeah. So,
Walang
yeah.
pinanggalingan.
Pero in
Wala.
some ways, hindi din siya forced eh.
Yeah.
Hindi siya forced. Pero kung isipin mo parang forced eh. Kasi basta't nilagay siya doon, tinrick siya. Pero, na-enjoy naman niya eh. Hindi, wala ka namang
Yeah.
resistance.
Kasi-
no?
Parang tinanggap ko na lang na, okay, eto na siya. Okay, I'm here. Parang
Okay.
ganon.
Pero
Okay.
sasagundaan ko yung thought na yan. Although wala pa akong anak, the way I see it, na-observe ko, is parents suggests. Pero hindi ibig sabihin
Yeah.
yung bata a-adapt na yun.
Mhm.
'Di ba? So, you can suggest different things naman talaga. It just so happen na yung sinuggest sa'yo.
Nag-enjoy din na
Nag-enjoy ka din
Enjoy
eventually.
Na ako. Exactly. Kasi may mga kids din.
Yeah.
And we were having so much fun. Kasi pagka mga toddlers class naman ng ballet, hindi naman siya parang sobrang strict na, alam mo yun. We are still allowed to play. So may mga
Okay.
gallops, yun yung mga steps namin.
Yeah.
It was, and then may music. So,
Galing.
yun. Very interactive naman siya.
Yung whole ballet journey mo, so to speak. How long did you do that? For how long?
So, I started when I was 3.
3.
Yeah, I retired from the company, which my old company, which is
Yeah.
Ballet Philippines, when I was 32.
32.
But I still dance
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now as a freelance dancer. So,
Almost
so
30
I'm
years.
42 now, 3 years old. So almost 40 years.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
Grabe, no?
Yun ang tinatawag na sobra kang dedicated sa craft mo.
Exactly. And speaking of dedicated to the craft, ito na yung daily leveling up mo eh. Mula, imagine mo, level 3 siya. Diba? 3 years old eh. Level 3. In life, level 3 siya. Can you think of like core memories mo realizing na grabe, ang layo na pala narating ko? Diba? Imagine mo, syempre, bata ka. You're just doing it maybe for fun.
Yeah.
You got new friends, right? Can you recall a memory na ang layo na narating ko?
I think I was still in high school at this point. Tapos and a scholar already of Ballet Philippines. Yung school ng Ballet Philippines that time, it's called CCP Dance School. So, CCPDS. So, I was
Okay.
scholar of CCPDS. And then, kasi I was in high school, so you know how high school kids sometimes hindi talaga ako ma-attend. Sorry, teacher nerds, pero yun. Yeah. Kasi pag scholar ka kasi, you are really parang, what do you call it? Parang,
Meron ba special treatment? Hindi naman.
hindi naman. It's more of yung parang you're supposed
Required.
to attend. You're required to attend
yeah.
every day. So because I have my regular school at the time, so medyo ano naman. But anyway, my sister still dances and still attends classes at that time. So ako, pero parang ano lang ako, naglalaylo, ganyan. Medyo nandun ako sa point. And then yung school director, which is si Teacher Nords nga, my teacher, lumapit siya sa mommy ko, which hindi niya talaga ginagawa at all. Parang, nasan si Carissa? She's the director around the time. She was looking for me daw because she wanted me to try the parang role with the company. So parang doon ko na-realize na parang, baka may something sa akin na na parang because the director, kasi that's big na already when you're a scholar and you're still young, and the director of the company wants you
Ask
to
you,
join the
yeah.
company what do you call this, show.
Show, yeah.
So parang sabi ko, baka talagang may something sa akin. Kasi
Okay.
that time talagang parang, ayoko na, yung gano'n. Meron akong episodes na ganyan, may
Yeah.
face na ganyan ako. So yun.
Pero-
So yun, yeah, to answer that.
Pero, kare, ito, curious ako from what I've heard, no? Goat ka raw dito sa Pilipinas.
Ay, grabe no?
ng ballet sa Philippines. So,
Are we with ballet royalty?
yeah. So,
Baka lang naman.
Oo, so parang ako curious ako kasi lahat ng tao na nakafocus sa craft nila or dedicated sila, sobrang I admire those kind of people because I know how hard it is for you to achieve that level.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
takes time, dedication, and a lot of heartbreaks. 'Di ba? Ganyan naman talaga eh. So ngayon, curious ako, paano mo ano yung process, paano mo dinaanan 'yun? Ibig sabihin gaano ka katagal bago nakarating kung nasan ka? And at the same time, nandoon ka ba sa stage ng buhay mo na parang may regret ka rin ba doon sa career mo sa ballet? And yung process kung paano mo siya ginawa?
Yeah, hindi talaga siya madali.
Okay.
Hindi siya para sa at least yung time namin hindi siya para sa mga hindi matitibay yung loob. Grabe.
So first, wala kang regret?
At utak.
Oo, wala.
First, yes, wala.
Okay,
Wala
so
akong
that's
regret.
fine. Okay, the second question is, how did you do it?
Ano lang, I just pushed through talaga. Kunwari, merong rules, ganyan. I work hard for it. And then, kung wala man, for example, may mga times kasi na, of course, may iba-iba kaming directors, no?
Yeah.
Let's say, every 3 years, ganyan, nag-change din kami ng director. So, every time, nag-change yung director. Parang panibagong journey ulit para sa'yo. Parang, kikilalanin mo rin sila artistically and how their brain works, parang ganyan. So, but yung pinaka-consistent that I'm doing is to work. Yeah, work lang ng work. Attend classes every day, and then polish my technique, polish my dancing. Para by the time na parang mag-casting na ulit sila, ready na ako. But then, meron akong motto na kung ano yung ikakast nila sa akin at that time, tatanggapin ko kahit puno pa, kahit nasa backdrop pa, gagawin ko siya ng buong buo. Ganon. So, yun yung...
Pero whatever the role is na ibigay
Yes.
sa'yo, so regardless kung puno, gagalingan mo bilang
Gagalingan
puno.
ko. Yes.
I love
Ganun
that.
ako. So talagang yun yung yun yung running ko parati in my head na basta gagalingan ko lang.
So, would you say na competitive person ka, kaya ka ba nakarating sa GOAT level?
I think, oo. Lahat talaga, parang may ganun kaming Pero yung pagka-competitive ko kasi is more of yung parang I need to, yung ako lang, for myself. Parang,
Not with other people?
Yeah, parang I want to do a nice pirouette. The pirouette is one of the yung medyo
Hardest.
mahirap na step. So if I'm doing doubles, I wanna do triples. Parang I aim to be better.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Pero pagka ganun kasi, iniisip ko, lahat ata ng kilala ko na athlete or even into arts na umabot sa ganyan level, at some point, maraming tao nag-doubt sa'yo, for sure. Like, for example, may maririnig ka, si Kara hindi naman ganun ka-talented yan. Or for example, mas magaling ako dyan. Or parang hindi naman siya magaling dito sa move na to. Parang ganyan. May mga naranasan kang ganun?
I think normal siya.
Mhm.
Normal naman siya. Pero you don't let that
Affect
Get
you.
into your head?
Yeah.
Ah.
I just work. I just make sure that I'm what they're looking for.
Pero hindi ba, kasi I don't know if pareho ka ng iba na interview namin. Yung iba kasi, yung pain nila, ginagamit nila as a gasoline.
Gasolina.
To perform sa higher level. So, ang iniisip ko, ganun ka rin ba or hindi ka ganun?
Saan ang galing ang
Saan
motivation mo na yun?
Saan ba? Okay.
Pero alam mo, siguro, habang iniisip mo, tingin ko nakatulong na bata pa siya na na-discover na itong creative output na to eh.
Mhm.
Kasi that in itself, parang pagdadrive lang yan eh. Pag bata ka natutong mag-drive.
Parang prepared ka na.
Oo.
Uy, pero ang bali talaga dapat bata ka pa lang. I mean,
Yeah.
age 4 is okay, pero required, hindi naman required, pero parang most of the ballerinas, they started mga around 4 to 8 years old. Yeah.
Yun yung
Pag 11 na,
pinaka-ideal.
medyo late na yan. But, depende rin sa work mo. Pero yeah, kasi Bali is progressive eh. Repetitive but progressive. Pero slow. Very slow. Kaya din, yung journey ko na to, yung dance journey ko, most of my classmates, umabot lang na hanggang high school kami and then they gave up na or parang nag-iba na lang
Kasi hirap na.
Yeah.
You almost gave up. Sabi mo nga. Right?
Yeah, at some point, yes. Nandun, yeah.
Parang,
Oo.
pero buti na lang, binigyan ka ng katapano, mini breaks until...
Yeah, I think yung mom ko, parang, she was pushing me, but she never asserted. Alam mo yun, na parang, in a sense, na parang, I get so burnt out na, oh my God, stop it, mom. Parang ganon.
So,
Hindi ganon.
Ano nga yung motivation?
yun nga. So, agree ka ba na
diba?
naging gasolina mo rin siya? Amaming ka.
I think yung...
Yeah.
sorry, sige,
At
go
some
on.
point ba naging gasolina mo yung mga naysayers?
Hindi.
Hindi talaga?
Hindi. Oo.
Pero kasi
I think
competitive.
siguro yung naging gasoline ko is more of pag hindi ako kung hindi ako na-consider for the role.
Okay.
Parang ganon.
So
Okay.
you
And
try to
then-
make it up the next time na ano yung pwede kong pang-improve.
What didn't I do?
Okay.
I think it's because yung mommy ko kasi, nung lumalaki kami, hindi siya yung tipo ng mom na parang, sino kaaway mo anak? Tara, sugurin natin sa school. Hindi siya ganon eh. Siya yung tipo ng mom na pag nagsabi kami sa kanya, ma, merong
Umaway sa
umaapi
akin.
sa akin. Ang lagi niyang tanong, anong ginawa mo?
Oh.
Anong ginawa mo?
Okay.
So, I think yun yung first, parang, ano yung pwede kong ma-improve? Ano
Ang galing
yung
nun.
hindi ko ginawa?
Ang ganda nun, ha? Mic drop ako dun, ha? Mic drop yan, ha?
You know what's
Yeah,
surprising,
pero ganun
Direk?
siya.
Kasi obviously, when you're performing to a certain level, there's a level of expectation na sa'yo eh, to perform a certain way. And
Right.
maybe to a point na being perfect. We ask her kung ano yung life motto niya. Sabi niya, Direk, have no fear of perfection. You'll never reach it.
Yes.
Imaginein mo yun, no?
Grabe yun.
She's already performing
At a high level.
At a high level. And thinking na if I don't get this role, doesn't reflect on
Who I am.
my
Yeah.
capabilities. It just means I need to improve something so that I can be considered the next time.
Ang galing.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Kasi kahit
Galing.
mapili ka pala, hindi mo sabihin perfect eh.
Tsaka pag napili ka rin, hindi pa natatapos din yung journey. Kailangan mag-work hard ka pa kasi minsan, or alagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi hindi mo masasabi minsan in one of those parang rehearsals. Kasi to put up a show or to prepare for a show, ang company has 3 months to do it. To
prepare.
Prepare and
Yeah.
rehearse.
Actually, that's very short already. But then, kasi nga dahil everyday naman kami nagte-training, ano na siya, parang normal thing na siya with us. Sometimes, na-injured ka. So, yun yung mga medyo kalaban mo talaga.
Yan kasi pag
Alagaan.
na-injure ka, di ba? Yan yung parang magre-regress ka in some way kasi yung mga kasabay
hindi
mo,
lang yun. Yung role-
nagpo-progress, ikaw hindi.
Exactly. And then yung role din, hindi
Wala na
mapupunta
sa'yo.
sa'yo.
Oo,
Yun.
actually. Na-injure ka na ba on one of the...
Thank God, hindi. hindi pa.
So, ibig sabihin, magaling mag-ano to?
Take care sa sarili.
No, hindi lang yung mag-stretching, etc. Di ba? Do you do that a lot? Not
In terms of
really.
preparation.
Yeah.
Like how long?
It's a must. Stretching and strengthening sabay.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's a
Tsaka may halong dasal.
Oo, syempre.
Kasi-
Tiwala sa sarili and dasal.
Kasi yung
Dasal.
napapanood ko mga
Tiwala
movies
sa-
na about ballet, di
yeah,
ba may mga
yeah.
nagkiinggitan, tapos
Yes, correct.
may injure para sa kanya mapunta yung role.
Hindi, tsaka
Mga drama eh,
yung,
di ba?
di ba grabe yung Black Swan pag nakita mo, like kung paano yung blood, sweat, and tears na sinasakripisyo ng mga ballet dancers. I mean, we don't know it, Bri, kasi hindi naman tayo babae, hindi tayo
Yeah,
ballet
yeah.
dancer, but pag pinanood mo yung movie kasi makikita mo, holy shit, ganito kabigat ang ginagawa nitong mga to. Di ba like yung mga toes nila, makikita mo talaga namamatay or nadudugo, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Yan.
okay. Ngayon, Kare, ito ang tanong ko. Would you say na mas mahirap to stay on top or to maintain on top rather than going pataas? Di ba? Mas mahirap to maintain rather than going there? Would you agree?
Would I say?
Yeah?
Is it harder to maintain pag nandun ka na sa peak mo?
Peak mo.
Or yung paakyat ka doon?
Yung both. Both pa din.
Both pa rin for
Kasi
you?
both kailangan mong
Pagtrabahuhan.
pagtrabahuhan. Yes. Kailangan maging honest ka doon sa work na ginagawa mo. Yeah, so both talaga. Kapag nung umakyat na ako, I still do the same work that I do before. Yeah.
And to the point ngayon, you became, nakalagay dito, a visionary movement director. So, syempre, nagaling ka sa industriya ng ballet. Ngayon, dinala mo yan to, I would say, the next phase or the next boss level mo, so to speak,
Yeah.
right? Boss level kasi leveling up tayo, eh, di ba?
Yeah.
How were you able to bring that kind of artistry? Anong nakita mong nadala mo doon sa mga ginawa mong mga music videos, fashion campaigns, and some of the, so to speak, aligned sa'yo contemporary dance projects?
I think it has everything to do with my training with Ballet Philippines, my company. So since bata ako and hanggang maging principal dancer ako ng company, yung work
Work ethic.
na yan, natututunan ko everything, even yung mga classes namin doon. Kasi yung company namin, hindi lang siya ballet and contemporary or modern yung technique yung pinag-aaralan namin, no. In the summer workshops, this is where yung other scholars come in from the provinces, because we have that project naman with the school. We also do improvisation, dance improvisations. So I think dun medyo nag-fuel yung pagka-creative ko naman as a person. Yeah. So and then I get with the company, I get to work with other choreographers. So I get to see how they choreograph their what do you call this, their process, which I got so interested in also while I was dancing. Yun. So I think doon,
Yun
and
yung
then
simula na
yes, and
nag-transition ka
then
to a movement director.
right, and then yeah, the company also does a lot of mga events then around the time that I was dancing with them. So nakikita ko rin parang parang di ba yung different stages, different spaces, like sometimes we have mga bilog na spaces which is very
Challenging yun.
not traditional kasi 'di ba ang traditional yung parang rectangle na
Yeah.
may mga bilog. So yung mga ganon parang yun naman yung mga pag-adapt naman as a dancer and as a choreographer. So yung I think it has everything to do with my training with the company.
When you were, to follow up lang, no? When you are movement director na, are you still part of the performance? Or madalas talaga hindi na?
Yeah, good question. Sometimes I try not to perform na kasi
To be
I
in
wanna
front.
see it eh. Mahirap kasi yung parang, although like for example, the music video of Dina Muli with Itchy Worms, what we did is they asked me na lang to improvise. So that's easier than choreographing it. And then meron lang kaming pinag-usapan na okay, level A, level B, parang ganon. So easier for me. Okay lang yun. And then I see it after, parang ganyan. So doon ko na titingnan na lang. But mas madalas na hindi ako sumasali para talagang
Tutok.
focused ako on choreography.
Ano paramdam mo no, na siyempre before you're the one performing yan, you're helping bring about maybe your own creativity, your thought process mo, pero iba na yung nasa harap.
Pareho pa rin yung feeling for me. Yung parang iba lang ng medium. Kumbaga parang yung dancing fulfilling kapag ka na-perfect mo lahat and na malapit sa role na, kumbaga, and then may reviews come in and then you get to read them and then you have positive reviews, responses. With movement directing naman is yung pag nakita mo na lang, okay, na
Ang ganda nung ginawa natin,
nagamit
mga
nila,
ganun.
nagamit yung movement direction ko ng tama, yung gano'n, na-appreciate nila. So, iba rin.
Ibang excitement rin.
Pero kare ako napansin ko, no, based sa mga kwento mo sa amin, lahat ng ginagawa mo, magaling ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. So ngayon, ang question ko sa'yo dyan, what sets you apart from other, let's say, dancer or let's say, choreography director? Is that correct? Movement director.
Yes.
So, why, I mean, siguro, ano yung nakikita sa'yo ng ibang tao? Ano yung exceptional talent mo or discipline mo in life na bakit ka gumagaling sa craft mo? Na kahit anong pasukan, kahit anong medium.
Mahirap yan, I guess, mahirap yun. Pero, dahil siguro ako si Carissa Adea, ako si Care. I mean, not bragging my name, but more on, wala namang ibang Carissa sa
Mundo.
gets mo. Yeah, ako lang. So, kung ano yung vision ko, magustuhan nila.
So, it's unique in your own
It's
ways.
unique because it's only me who can think about it at that moment.
Okay.
Parang ganon. When you invite other choreographers, then it's their name. So I mean, it's their personality that will come out. The same when you're dancing. So I'm dancing as, for example, Sleeping Beauty. I'm doing Sleeping Beauty. And then, ako yon. Different yung interpretation ko dun sa ibang
Sleeping Beauty
exactly. Ibang alternates ko.
Yeah.
So yun, parang gano'n. The taste, I guess. The taste, the
taste,
personality.
ayun. Yun, agree ako, the taste.
The taste,
Yeah.
the personality. So it comes out with my my work.
So would you agree kasi art is subjective eh. 'Di ba? To some other people, yun yung talagang hinahanap nila. So iba naman, parang ay, ito, parang ano lang yan eh, Joker. So, 'di ba, Joker na gusto si Heath Ledger, yung iba gusto si Joaquin Phoenix. So, depende kung sino talaga
Or Karate Kid.
Or Karate Kid. Tama. So, okay, pero sa tingin mo, ano yung certain character mo na nagdala sa'yo sa ganyan? Yun yung gusto kong ma-share natin sa ating mga ka-low barkada and mga ka-whiskey. Kasi, like Kobe Bryant, more than 10,000, kasi sabi nila parang 10,000 hours ata ang kailangan mo i-dedicate sa craft mo at least for you na matutunan mo yon. So, of
And
course,
maybe even
more than
decade
10,000 hours yung dinedicate mo kasi all your life, ginawa mo siya eh. So, yun lang ba ang nakikita mo na something na mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Yeah, I think yung pagiging open. Important yun.
Open.
Open to collaborate, open to ideas. Yung hindi ka, yung parang ikaw lang yung iniisip. I mean, yung idea mo lang iniisip mo. Sometimes, yung ibang tao can also bring out something in you.
Okay.
Alam mo yun? That's one.
So, ibig sabihin, if I am a, let's say, less experienced ballerina compared to you, hindi ka pa coach, kunyari same lang tayo, pero alam mo na, let's say, ang experience mo is way, way, way ahead of me, you would still listen to me?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So, ayun mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-low-barkada, dapat kahit ano, magaling na tayo, makikinig pa rin.
Alam mo, pag naka-whiskey ka,
Mas open ka.
pero, I mean, parang top 3 qualities na rin natin yan eh.
Yeah.
Pero bago yun, no?
Okay.
Meron akong gustong i-address direct.
Yeah.
Kasi kanina pa ako curious.
Oh, sige,
ano
game.
ba yung bato na yan? Ano ba yung bato na yan? Ba't
So-
may bato tayo na may smiley face?
So, eto si Charlie.
Okay.
Isa to sa mga bato na kino-collect namin ng husband ko. Ano sila, friends namin sila.
Okay.
And also parang ano lang,
Good luck.
companion.
Companion.
Alam mo yun, yung parang,
Aha.
kasi ako talaga kabado ako pag mga ganito, interview. So, parang it's nice to have somebody na I'm very
Anong
familiar
name? May name
with.
ba yan?
This is Charlie.
Charlie, okay.
May smiley face eh.
Yes,
Oh.
dinrawingan niya para talagang meron siyang
Friendly face.
friend. Meron
Parang si
siyang face.
Wilson. Si Wilson.
Si
Ano
Wilson.
talaga siya, buhay siya in
Volleyball.
our eyes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Dalawa pala ang guest natin.
Memories din. Yan. For memories also.
Pero recently, nakita ko sa kanyang meta, parang galing siya ng Australia. Is that correct?
Yes.
Bri, she's also into acting.
Ah, talaga? So,
Oo. Kwento mo naman sa amin yung acting, ano mo.
hindi ko alam pero obviously, when I introduced you,
Yeah.
we mentioned you're also an actress. But I don't know yet. Hindi ako familiar dun sa movie or role mo.
Okay.
Sa Australia to ginawa?
Yes.
Ang movie na to sa Australia
Ay,
or
hindi.
like Filipino?
Shot here in the Philippines.
Shot here.
But the director is a foreigner, Australian.
Director is Phil Australian.
Phil Australian.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's a collaboration with Australians and Filipinos.
Okay.
So,
Wow. So,
Tell us about it.
co-produced siya.
Tell us about it.
Yeah. Okay. So this the film is entitled First Light.
First Light.
Yes.
Okay.
So tungkol siya sa isang madre na naka-witness ng death and then unfolding that death, marami siyang na-discover na mga anomalies, political and alam mo inside the church also.
Okay.
And
So, you're the madre?
isa ako sa mga madre.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Okay.
ang role ko din, yes. Ang role ko is also a nun.
A nun.
I'm a novice nun.
Okay.
So, in that convent, ako ang pinakabata na madre. Ako ang nag-iisang novice nila na
Okay.
trainee. And yung madre na naka-witness nun, siya, nung death, siya yung mentor ko basically. So parang siya yung the person I look up to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ito, is this in Tagalog language or English siya?
Yes.
O subtitle
Tagalog
lang?
to? Tagalog?
Yes, Tagalog siya.
Oh.
Tagalog siya, at tapos subtitled in English.
Grabe, so nagtuturo ka na ng ballet, tapos director ka ba, tapos ngayon, artista ka pa. Kailan pa pumasok yung pag-artista mo?
Nag-start talaga siya nung pandemic. Kasi before that, may mga nakikilala naman ako na in mga projects, mga mini projects that I do on the side. May mga nakikilala ako, mga talent agents, and they sent me mga, alam mo yung mga parang, look, yung ito yung mga
casting,
hinahanap. Yes,
parang,
casting, exactly.
Okay.
Yes. And then nung pandemic, of course, wala naman tayo lahat ginagawa. And then ang pinakamaganda nun is, ikaw na mismo yung mag-shoot sa sarili mo. So, sabi ko, sige na nga, itry ko na nga to talaga. So, tinry ko siya once. Tapos, fortunately, nakuha ako sa isang commercial. Di ko na-mention, pero yun, nakuha ako sa isang commercial.
Ito ba
And
yung
then,
yung umiikot, yung parang umiikot yung yung...
hindi pa.
Iba pa yun?
Iba pa yun. Yeah, pero, that's the first one pala, sorry.
Lead ka dun eh. Ikaw yung lead yun eh. Lead
Ito
yun
naman,
eh.
somebody contacted me lang on Instagram actually. Parang, she was asking, she's the producer, si Mara. Sabihin ko si Mara. Siya yung apo ni Mars Ravelo.
Oh.
Yes. So, minessage na lang ako, would you be interested to audition or to send
For
some
a role.
videos for this role? Because parang the directors were eyeing for somebody who is a mover. Kasi nga the role is difficult. It's you're gonna go around parang kumbaga parang squirrel ka. In short. Parang ganun. So naman ako, they scheduled an interview, tapos pinabasa, parang meron lang silang kasi wala namang walang script. So parang meron lang silang minotivate lang nila ako, and then parang somehow I didn't know about this sa akin.
Side of you?
Oo, pero I just started crying. Kasi yun, parang ganun dapat yung, parang yun yung prompt nila. Parang, ito yung tapos parang, my God, umiyak ako. So, parang,
You were surprised?
While I was crying, na-surprise ako doon.
They ask you to cry and then on
Not
cue
really.
you cry?
It's just a prompt na they were not really expecting me because they knew naman that I was a dancer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was from a dance background. And di naman ako talaga, theater actor or alam mo yun, I don't have any background in acting. I just only dance in theater. So I perform in theater. So yeah, yung prompt, I think, I don't know, basta bigla na lang ako, parang siguro mas pinil ko siya. And then I started crying. So parang at that point, parang sinabi na lang nila, okay, that's good. Can you please send us this supporting videos na lang of yourself? Parang ganyan. Tapos yun, by the end of that day, sinabi nila na I got the role. I was casted. Tapos may rehearsal na kami and then shoot na. Yun. So that's my first parang try into yung film or whatever, yung video na ano ba tawag mo doon? Basta yun, medium.
Yeah, medium. Yeah.
And then the next year or 2 years after, kasi medyo tamad din ako eh. Tamad kasi ako dahil yung mga magbike, parang ganyan eh. May mga ganun eh. Sabi ko, shucks, ayokong gawin. Parang, so hindi ko pinupush. But then, sabi ko, sinipag na naman ako, meron na namang casting. And then, ginawa ko lang. Nag-send ako, and then, final casting ako, and then, I ended up getting the role again. So yun, yung mga ganun lang. So, bale, going back, dun nag-start yung parang, sabi ko, parang I like doing this. I really like doing this. Kasi gusto ko rin gusto ko rin yung kasi nung pandemic nauso din yung mga dance films. So sabi ko, I want to try this. I want to be part of this. Yan.
Parang wala pa masyadong musical dito sa Philippines
Musical
na movie.
Meron naman pero...
Wala pa masyado, what I'm trying to say.
Meron. Himala. Himala the musical.
Yeah.
Pero yeah.
Wala pa masyado.
Parang
kasi
feeling
medyo
ni-
nag-ano na yan sa ibang bansa eh. Parang umusbong ang dami ng mga...
Yes.
So parang
musical.
feeling mo hindi siya mainstream sa Pilipinas. Okay.
Pero who
Pero
knows?
hindi ba nung mga 90s, maraming mga...
Miss Saigon.
Hindi, yung mga movies nila Tito Vic, yung parang at the end, parang may sayaw.
Sayaw. Ay. BST. BST, diba? Tama. Oo.
Parang hindi ko... Bata pa ako nun eh. Sorry
Hindi,
baka.
pero I get what you mean.
Oy,
Iba
outnumbered ka.
naman yung...
Magkaedad kami ni Kare. Outnumbered ka dito.
Iba yung sinasabi mo na parang you let's say Wicked. Na,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pero di ba sa mga wicked, mga Miss Saigon, mga plays, di ba kailangan din na belly dancer dyan eh?
Yeah, yung mga Broadway.
Oo, Broadway, di ba?
Well, dapat talaga lahat trained ka, I think, kapag Broadway ka, ballet, jazz,
So, nag-Broadway ka
tap.
rin?
Hindi ako nag-try. Parang hindi siya, parang I considered it, especially nung nandun ako sa States. And then I was actually transitioning with my career also. Kasi at that point, parang sabi ko, ay, okay na ako with dance. I mean, with dancing with the company. So, parang nag-transition ako. Nagpunta ako ng New York. And then, of course, I was able to watch a lot of shows there. Tapos, I considered it. But then, sabi ko, parang hindi siya ako. Parang ganon. So,
So
Cancel.
marunong ka din makiramdam if it's really for you.
yeah.
You can say
I
na
think,
ganon.
oo. Parang, yeah. Yes. Pinag-reflectan ko. Tapos parang, hindi yun yung gusto kong path.
Pero, ang question ko lang bago mo tanungin si Karen ng ating top 3 qualities, curious ako dun sa, kunyari, let's say, nagtuturo ka na ngayon ng ballet, di ba? And then you have students. Let's say, ang isang student doon, syempre hindi naman lahat yan pare-pareho ng skill level. Merong aangat dyan, may late bloomer, merong yung mabilis. So, ano yung tingin mong quality nitong mga tao na to? Or ano yung nakikita mo sa... Kasi syempre ikaw as a coach or as a teacher, alam mo na kung sino yung parang medyo, anong iba puti, at saka iba character nitong tao na to, kaya magpo-progress. Meron ka bang certain character na pwede i-share sa ating mga kawiski na nakikita mo na, ito, this person will go places?
I guess dapat passionate ka.
Passionate, okay.
Yes. Very passionate ka talaga. And then, because live performances kami, dapat magaling ka rin mag-adapt.
Oh,
Yeah,
adaptability.
oo.
Okay.
So, kung kunwari, magkamali ka, hindi mo naman may iwasan yun. Kunwari, you were doing this turn, tapos na-off ka. Dapat
Show must go on, ganun.
show must go on. Exactly. So, dapat magaling ka dun sa yung parang adaptability.
Improvise.
Improvisation, parang ganun.
Improvisation.
Oo.
Okay.
And then, ano pa ba? Dapat sobrang focused ka. Dapat nakaganon talaga. Tsaka mind power, I guess.
Mind power. Na naniniwala kang magaling ka,
yeah.
no?
Oo. Yung sa mind power, kailangan mo talaga ng focus.
Pero pwede mo bang isipin na magaling ako pero nandun pa ako sa level na hindi ako magaling?
Pwede, yeah.
Pwede yun?
Pwede.
Hindi ba parang ano yun? Parang
Magaling
imposter syndrome yun?
Hindi naman. Hindi
Okay.
naman. Kasi, para sa akin, ang technique ng dance, minsan, ngayon, hindi mo siya makuha. But after a while, if you polish, if you refine, pwede mo siyang ma-overcome. I mean, yung mga hindi mo makaya, no? And then, yeah, ako pwede.
Pwede.
For me,
Okay.
pwede.
Eventually get
It's
it.
not the end of the, it's not the end of it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
A question is, how much do you want it? Diba? For you to
Yes,
level
oo.
up eh.
Ikaw talaga magsasabi niyan. Parang, pupush mo ba? Or, parang,
Would you say na yan din ang mga qualities that ikaw mismo you possess? Kasi I'm gonna ask you na, what are your top 3 qualities eh? But would you say those are the same qualities that you also uphold to yourself? That you look at other people as well?
Love your
Yes.
question, Bri.
Yes. Oo. Pagka may nakikita rin akong dancer na
Sabi mo kasi passionate eh.
Yes.
Una-una.
Oo. Yung dancers that I look up to. Kasi, yeah, as I was, training as a scholar, part din nung training namin is nakikita namin yung mga company members na nagre-rehearse. So, nakikita mo rin parang, this
person really
ballerina.
wants it.
Yeah, this
Mga ganun.
ballerina. Yeah, you can see it, you can read it. Yeah.
So you would say, na if I were to ask you, yung top 3 qualities mo, yung first mo pa din is passionate.
Yes, you have to have it eh. I
Pero
mean, in
kitang-kita
anything,
naman
Yeah.
sa kanya
in
eh.
anything that you do, feeling ko.
Passionate
Kasi
ka.
pagka hindi ka passionate doon, sa ginagawa mo, half-baked lang din yung
So, ibig
yung
sabihin,
results.
paano naman, kumbaga, matik ba yun, pag passionate ka, gagaling ka talaga? Or may mga ibang passionate na tao na hindi naman din sila gagaling? Sa mata ng coach, anong mo dyan? Anong sagot mo
Sige,
dyan?
sagot ka muna
Meron
dyan.
din eh, meron din. Pero it's really because, they gave in to alam mo yun, parang yung time then they felt it's parang a little bit late na or parang
Gets.
maraming factors. Maraming factors.
Or parang siguro lang, it's not for you na lang.
Pwede
no?
rin,
Oo.
pwede rin naman na parang I'm passionate about this pero hindi in this hindi sa ballet, more on maybe as a choreographer. Parang ganun.
Gets,
Or as a
gets.
teacher.
Okay.
Like my ballet teacher, si Teacher Nords, hindi naman talaga siya naging principal dancer. He was part of the company but he was not parang not considered as a principal dancer type. So he discovered his passion in teaching talaga. Lalaki.
Oh.
Si Teacher Nordine, yeah.
Okay. Then
So,
number
ayun
2, so 1 is passionate, then what's number 2?
I guess ulitin ko na lang yung
Yeah,
sinabi ko.
yeah.
Dapat magaling ka talaga mag-adapt.
Adaptability,
Yeah.
and then
Magaling ka
focus
mag-adapt.
yung pangatlo,
Yes,
no?
oo.
Saan mo ginamit yung tatlo na yan? Sa buong karera mo?
Sa lahat.
Would you
Sa
say
lahat na
everyday mo
talaga.
siya ginagamit?
Yes. Oo, sa lahat. Mag-movement direct ako, doon din. Kailangan mo ng passion doon eh. Kailangan mo mag-adapt. Especially. Tapos, kailangan focused ka doon sa ginagawa mo. Kasi kung hindi mo makikita.
Tama.
Hindi mo makikita yung whole picture and kung ano ba yung need nung hindi lang kasi yung choreography mo yung titignan mo.
Yeah.
Dapat yung buong scenario, kumbaga, parang is this the appropriate actions for this kind of campaign, for this kind of project. Parang gano'n. Kung hindi, then you have to adapt. Yeah.
Okay.
And now,
Ito na.
ang segment namin, which is Kwentong Mental Health.
Kwentong mental health. So, ikaw, kamusta ang mental health mo?
So we have here life cards in partnership with Untolds. Available over TikTok, Shopee, and Lazada. Get one now. Nagbenta. But here we have questions on each card. Mamimili ka ng isa. Pakiramdaman mo kung ano yung para sa'yo. So to speak. So pili ka ng isa.
Okay. Sige.
Intuition.
Wala.
Yan.
Basa.
Read it out loud.
Ang respetuhin o ang mahalin?
Ang respetuhin or mahalin? Tingnan natin. Ano mas
Ang
mabigat?
respetuhin o ang mahalin? So ano yung mas pinapahalagahan mo? Yung respetuhin ka o yung mamahalin ka? Ayos to, bago yun.
Bago yan. Ngayon lang natin nabunot yan.
Actually, it relates to what you do. Right? In your craft as well. But in life in general.
Yeah.
Sagutin ko na ba?
Yes. Uminom ka muna.
Sige. Cheers.
Inumin mo ba siya?
Ay,
Charlie, gusto mo ba?
Charlie.
Pwedeng whiskey on the rocks.
Game.
Cheers.
Charlie. Nagot ka, Charlie.
Sige, kailangan ko lang muna siyang para hindi ako.
So,
okay.
ano kaya ang sagot niya? No? Yung respetuhin ka o yung mamahalin ka? Maybe it's in what you do.
I think mas gusto ko yung mahalin ako.
Mahalin ka. Wow. Bakit?
Kasi pag mahal ka ng mga tao, nire-respeto ka rin nila eh. Kesa yung respeto lang, may factor ng parang
Fear.
fear, exactly. And parang you're on a high level. Ayoko hindi ako ganon mag-work. Gusto ko team. Team kami.
Galing.
Sa bagay, no? Kasi pwede ka naman respetuhin ng hindi ka minamahal.
Tama.
Right?
Yan.
Ganda ng sagot.
Ganda ng sagot. Grabe. Para,
Direk, itong usapan natin, I'm getting a lot of inputs from you, and to think na yung mundo mo, hindi ko ginagalawan eh.
Yeah.
I think ikaw din naman, Direk,
Yeah.
no? But yun nga yung
Hindi,
kagandaan.
ginagalawan natin pero ibang medium. Ibang medium natin.
Iba ang way namin that we course our creativity, so to speak. If I may share yung takeaway
Yeah,
ko
go ahead,
for
go ahead.
our session, I like what you said kanina na your only concern is how you can improve day in and day out.
Yeah.
And I think if I were to address ang mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-lobarkada, work until your name precedes you. Hindi dahil sa kinakatakutan ka, but because you've dedicated, you put your heart into something that alam ng mga tao na may integridad ka, may credibility ka, that you are someone who does what you do because you love it. At lalabas yung galing mo So yun yung nakikita ko na what the work Kare. How about you, Derek?
Well, sa akin mga ka-whiskey, ang aking learning for tonight is that number one, siguro sa mga time na admittedly, as someone na nasa arts din, there are times na nafe-feel ko na nababurn out ako So parang si Kare yung nag-remind sa akin na regardless if it's a bad day today, the show must go on.
The show must go on.
Meaning, hindi ka rin naman aabot sa rurok ng tagumpay kung ikaw ay mag-give up. So for me, it's a great reminder and mga ka-whiskey na kapag tayo dumadaan sa struggle ng career natin or ng craft na ginagawa natin, tuloy mo lang. And one thing you'll know, nandun ka na.
Eventually, it will be worth every sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw ba, Kare? Ano ba ang napulot mo sa usapan natin tonight before we wrap things up?
Okay. I think important talaga yung grounded ka with ano ba to? Grounded ka lang as a
With
person.
yourself.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
with-
grateful.
Yes, and basta grounded ka with yung say yung experiences, I guess, from your past experience. You honor it also. Kasi yung mga yon will will really make you stronger and you can actually use them as your power and your tool to move on, to actually try other things. Hindi ka matatakot kasi grounded ka with experiences. So lahat ng experiences mo, yun pala yung gusto ko sabihin, lahat ng experience mo, you honor it. May it be bad experience or good experience. Lahat yan, it teaches you a lesson. And so, lahat yon you can use in your future, in your next steps.
In everyday life.
Ang ganda. Ganda naman ang takeaway.
Direk J, I'm happy na we had this conversation with you. Kare, saan ka ba nila makikita? Saan mo ba, ano ba mga platforms that people can reach out to you or check you out?
Nasa Instagram lang ako. Basically, may TikTok ako pero hindi ko siya talaga ginagamit at all. But I'm mostly in Instagram. My Instagram account is Karea Deye. Ano na lang.
Yes.
Karea Deye. Yan.
Yun.
That's it.
Alright. Direk, sabi nga nila, pag na-whiskey ka,
Mas open ka.
it has been an enjoyable conversation. Guys, mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-lobarkada, always
Stay
Stay pogs.
pogs.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ay, thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Charlie.
Charlie.
Charlie on the rocks.
Charlie on the... Ang cute to.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado. Ihanda ang may katbaso sa lamesa at
Big Eyes Production.